Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a multicolored cauliflower rice pulao. It consists of white, yellow, purple, green cauliflower. I'm going to use 2 cup Basmati rice, 2 cup. I'm going to wash with cold water. 4 cup water. Olive oil, 3 tablespoons. You can use any vegetable oil. Garlic powder, ginger powder, half teaspoon. Salt, black pepper, cumin powder, garam masala, coriander powder, cilantro, dhania, cumin seed, 1 teaspoon each. The cauliflower, multicolored, it's a frozen. I washed with the cold water. I put it into the strainer, so we're going to drain the water. And let's start making rice pulao. Get a fry pan, start gas, and we're going to keep gas on high. I'll bring olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, I'll bring cumin seed. Cook it for 10 seconds. I'll bring all the spices, salt, cumin powder, ground ginger, garlic powder, black pepper, garam masala, coriander powder. Mix it. And we're going to cook it for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to bring the cauliflower. Mix it. And now I'm going to bring 4 cups water. Mix it well. Cover with the lid. Bring the water to boil. The water has started to boil. I'll open the lid. I'll bring rice, cilantro, dhania with soft hand. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid, and on high gas, we're going to cook 5 minutes. Timing is very important. It's exactly 5 minutes cooking on a high gas. Bring our gas on low, which is simmer, and we're not going to open the lid to let it simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're going to open it. Our rice pulao will be cooked to our perfection. Cooking on a simmer for exactly 10 minutes. I'm going to turn off the gas. And this is really important. As all the moisture has been trapped on the lid, we're going to lift it, and we're not going to tilt it. We're just gonna lift it and walk away. Just like that. Rice pulao is all ready. If we look at, I'm going to show it to you from the bottom. Wow, look at this. Each rice grain, they are separate. That is called perfection. If you follow Easy Steps method, you will get this kind of result every time. I have my serving platter ready, and I'll dish out. Rice pulao with multicolored cauliflower. It's so tasty and so delicious. I hope you like this dish, and if you like this one, please try it and please let me know how it turned out for you. And I'm going to see you soon with the new recipe. Best of all, Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.